Hello producers, it's Ozgun here and welcome to the channel. So the king is back guys. AUDIMEE has just released a new killer feature that you can create your vocal harmonies, vocal stacks in just couple seconds. Before that feature, we are doing the vocal harmonies, the vocal stacks manually by the editor. But now we don't need to deal with any of this. The new beta feature I'm gonna show you is gonna get you covered. You can get your vocal harmonies, vocal stacks from just a single individual vocal in just couple seconds. And if you're ready, let's jump to that tutorial. So guys, I just like this splice vocal and it only has just one vocal layer. Let me show how it sounds.
So don't you waste my time, I love the ride, but are you coming round tonight?
So it's pretty sick. I like this vocal. I can make a drop, a break, a full track top of this vocal. But this is just a single layer. So if you want to make a track based on a single vocal, we need to make sure that this vocal covers enough space in the mix, you know. If you just have a single vocal channel, it's not gonna enough. We are going to need the harmonies, we are going to need the doubles, you know, some backing vocals. That will make our vocal track just sound like a one big instrument by its own. So let's go to AUDIMEE and we will just go to the convert section in here. So before going to the make harmony section, quickly if I needed to explain what AUDIMEE does, you can put any of the vocal in here and you can choose from many different singers, AI singers, and you can just convert the vocal you have and make some of the singers or multiple of them can sing your vocal track for you. And there are tons of awesome vocal models already inside of the AUDIMEE. So this tutorial is not about this, but still I can just quickly show you how the AUDIMEE works. You just drag drop the vocal like this and it uploads the file. And for example, if you need to tune, you can just dial in all the settings in here. You can also isolate the acapella from an existed track. It's also one of the things that AUDIMEE nails. You can remove reverb, echo, you can remove noise, such stuff like that. So if we have a female voice, let's convert it to a male voice. Maybe we can choose George. Like a bridge over. It's not relevant to the vocal we have. Maybe we can try Asher. If praise is like perfume. Why not? So I choose him and I click convert. That's all. It's just in a couple seconds, we will just have this vocal converted to the Asher.
So don't you waste my time.
Okay, this was the original.
So don't you waste my time, I love the ride, that are you coming round tonight? Just wanna feel alive, go fast and drive when you look right into my eyes.
So guys, as you hear, this is sounding super professional and super realistic. So if you want to check these features in detail, I'm gonna put a card. I think it should be somewhere like this and you can watch my previous video about it. But today we will just work on this new feature, the make harmonies section. So again, I'm just gonna drag drop the vocal file I have. So it's predict the key as F sharp major, which is correct by the way, but we will use D sharp minor because basically the D sharp minor and F sharp major is the same keys. The reason I'm using D sharp minor because I know this vocal is in a minor scale, so I can just read it inside of the name tag from the splice. So every minor key has a relevant major key, but it's totally okay. It's already predicted the correct key. So now we can just go to the presets in here and you see there are tons of presets already made for you. I'm gonna choose EDM thickness or maybe female lead doubler. First, let's get the double vocals, then we can generate some harmonies. So we can preview it by the way.
So don't you waste my time, I love the ride, that are you coming round tonight? Just wanna feel alive, go fast and drive.
So now we got two different vocals, hard pan left and right. They are slightly off the timing and we are just creating the double vocals. So let me choose convert first and in a couple seconds we are getting the files. Okay, the files are ready. Let's download this. So in the file we are getting two different versions. One is unprocessed and one is just panned and time shifted. So I'm gonna just grab the pan and time shifted the processed ones. And they sound like this. I don't need to do anything else.
So don't you waste my time, I love the ride, but are you coming round tonight? don't you waste my time, my love, the ride. But are you coming round tonight?
It's already super full. But let's not stop in here. I already downloaded this, so I can just delete this. And maybe this time we can get Hyperpop stack. I don't know what it's gonna give me. So it gives me 5 different vocal stacks. So 4 of them just playing the same key, and 1 of them just holding the root note all the time. Let's hear how it's gonna sound. We can preview it.
So don't you waste my time, my love, the ride. But are you coming round tonight?
That's okay, but I was searching for more harmonics. By the way, we can just edit the presets. For example, I can just go to one of them and I can say I want third, and maybe this one can be the highest octave. We can also preview it like this.
So don't you waste my time, my love, the ride. That are you coming round tonight?
Let's download this one. So guys, I don't need to do any calculation. I don't need to go to editor or Newton from FL Studio to edit all the pitches, you know. So there's nothing in this workflow. You just choose a preset or just tell in the website, I want third, I want octave, and then that's just it. So also this one again has the time shifted and penned ones. Let's also bring them into the project and let's see how all of them are gonna sound.
So don't you waste my time, my love, the ride. But are you coming round tonight? So don't you waste my time, my love, the ride. But are you coming round tonight? Just wanna feel alive, go fast and drive when you look right into my eyes.
So also we can, in the name text, we can see this is a third.
So don't you waste my time.
So maybe, you know, I can just use the third time to time. Maybe I just don't need to use it all the time. So for example, I can lower the volumes of the doubles a little bit. And then for the third, let's see when we can use it.
So don't you waste my time.
Maybe just in the endings like this. For example, in the beginning, we don't use it.
So don't you waste my time, my love, the ride. But are you coming round tonight? Just wanna feel alive, go fast and drive when you look right into my eyes.
So I also want, let me delete all of those. I also want a root drone, but maybe like in the lowest octave. So I can just change the singer. Maybe I can choose a bass pitch AI voice model.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. I'm away. The same kind of music.
This one is nice, Theodore. Let's choose him. Let's preview this.
So don't you waste my time, my love.
Maybe not the melody, but like the root drone. Let's see. Just like a root key that can, you know, if a female vocal in the top, maybe we can also just feel the very low register. Maybe one more. This is still too mid frequency.
So don't you waste my time, my love, the ride.
That's nice. Let's get it. It's converted. So this time we only have one channel and it sounds like this.
Don't you waste my time.
It's like a very low, but I like to hide it very back of the mix. So let's listen how they sound together.
So don't you waste my time, my love, the ride. But are you coming round tonight?
Let's also bring those.
So don't you waste my time, my love, the ride. But are you coming round tonight?
Okay, let's smash my vocal chain to all of them. So after putting this vocal chain, just a little bit delay reverb, a little bit chorus, just a little bit EQ. Very basic stuff. And this is how it sounds.
So don't you waste my time, my love, the ride. But are you coming round tonight? Just wanna feel alive, go fast and drive when you look right into my eyes.
So from this,
so don't you waste my time, my love, the ride. But are you coming round tonight?
to this.
Just wanna feel alive, go fast and drive when you look right into my eyes.
If I only play the backing vocals, they sound like this.
So don't you waste my time, my love, the ride. But are you coming round tonight? Just wanna feel alive, go fast and drive when you look right into my eyes.
So guys, that's it. The AUDIMEE just nailed this with this Make Harmonies section. Now it literally takes just couple clicks to get the perfect vocal harmonies for your, single vocals. So if you like to try, you can just check the link in the description. Please let me know what you think about AUDIMEE, and especially for this vocal harmony feature that's just newly added. So today that was it, guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.
So don't you waste my time, I love the ride. But are you coming round tonight? Just wanna feel alive, go fast and drive when you look right into my eyes. So don't you waste my time, I love the ride. But are you coming round tonight? Just wanna feel alive, go fast and drive when you look right into my eyes. So don't you waste my time, I love the ride. But are you coming round tonight? Just wanna feel alive, go fast and drive when you look right into my eyes.